Welcome to the in front of me Motorola Moto G41, and I'll show you how to create home screen folders on this device. So first you should select the application, hold for a while the app, and drag it here to the another application. By the same way you can add one more application to your folder, and here you can just edit the name, just enter your new name, tap here. Okay, now just go back, and as you can see we just successfully renamed this folder. So you can move this folder here on the screen, just hold for a while and move it to the position where you want it, or also you can move the folder here between the screens by this way. And if you want to just turn it back, you can do that. Also, if you want to just remove the application from the folder, just hold for a while and drag it here to the position where you want to just add the application. Also, you can remove the application, and that's it. So that's how it looks. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment, and subscribe our channel.